In this video, we'll show you some methods to stop Microsoft Edge from automatically opening links on Windows. Yes, no more unwanted Edge pop-ups. Take back control. First, we change the defaults of certain protocols so that they don't automatically open with Edge. To do that, press the Start button and click on Settings in the pinned apps list. Now click on Apps on the left pane. Click on Default Apps. In the search bar, type Edge and click on Microsoft Edge. In here, you can see there are various file and link types associated with Edge. We are going to change the most common ones, namely HTTP and HTTPS. So, scroll down and click here under HTTP. Now select another browser and click on Set Default. Now do the same for HTTPS. Once done, you will now see the other browser, or in our case Google Chrome, opens up whenever we hit a link and not Microsoft Edge. Lastly, disable MS Edge from the Startup tab as well. Open Settings, click on Apps, click on Startup. Now scroll down and look for Microsoft Edge. Turn the toggle off next to it. This will disallow MS Edge to run in background and also on Startup. That's it. For more tech tips and tricks like these, subscribe to Guiding Tech and discover one of these videos handpicked just for you.